I had shown you the Bluetooth module program of Arduino, and I was able to connect 4 LEDs through the Bluetooth module, and it was working fine. Today, just I am going one step ahead, and I am going to glow a bulb through Bluetooth module using Arduino. Now, let me show you first in the direct circuit how the bulb glows. Just I am giving the power supply and I am showing this one. The bulb glows directly. Now let us go for the Arduino part. This one is the Arduino Uno device. It do have different pins from which we can give power supply to the circuit. This one is a breadboard normally used to connect different circuits of Arduino as well as supply connections. This one is a relay circuit and it is used to relay signal, and the data signal is sent from the Arduino and the power connection that is relayed through this particular relay circuit. Now this one is a Bluetooth module, and I am going to use this Bluetooth module to complete or to establish a smart home network, and I will show you glowing of the bulb through that one. Now in this Bluetooth module you can see there are 6 number of pins. Out of 6 pins, the both corner pins, they are not normally used. In between 4 pins are there. You can see VCC. This is used for supply of power, means it gets the power from the Arduino 5V power. Now the ground pin, it is for the ground signal. Now TXT and RXD, these 2 pins are normally used to send data to the Arduino and receive data from the Arduino. Now I am going to connect this one to the breadboard. The breadboard is connected here. Next, regarding connection of the circuits, this one is the relay circuit. 3 pins are there. Out of the 3 pins, the last one, it is for ground signal. Middle one, it is for 5V data signal, 5V signal from Arduino device, and this one, the corner one, it is for the data signal. Now I connect 3 jumper wires, and out of the 3 jumper wires, this green one for ground signal, the blue one I am connecting for 5V signal, and the violet one for data signal. And these 3 I am going to connect likewise. The ground signal pin or green wire, it is going to be connected to the ground pin of the breadboard. The blue pin for 5V power, it is going to be connected to the breadboard. And this one, the data signal, in the program I have given as pin number 6 to this one. So I am connecting this one to the pin number 6 of the Arduino board. Next, I am going to connect the Bluetooth module to the board. In the Bluetooth module, as I said, there is a VCC signal pin, and I am connecting this one to the VCC pin, red one, and it will get the signal from the breadboard. Next, the black one, I am going for the ground one. So next to the VCC, the ground pin is there. So I have connected this one to the ground pin, and it will fetch the ground signal from this board. Now 2 are there. One is RXD and TXD. RXD to receive the data, TXD to send the data. So last one is RXD and third one is TXT. So I am connecting this one to TXT, the green wire, and it will be connected to the RX pin of the Arduino board. Means data sent from the Arduino will be received at the Bluetooth module, and vice versa. Just you are going to connect the RXD pin of the Bluetooth module to the TXT pin in the Arduino board. So this is all about our circuit connection. Now for the electrical circuit connection, I am just cutting out the phase, or you can see the positive signal pin, the positive supply, and I am going to connect this one to the relay board. It is connected to the middle of the relay device, and from this one I am connecting another point of the relay device to this bulb. Now the circuit is complete. Next is we need to give the power supply to the Arduino, and I need to give the power supply for the bulb. You can see the bulb is not glowing here. Now let us connect the total module through mobile phone. Actually, I have not given any signal to the breadboard from the Arduino. That's why our circuit was not complete. Now I am going to give this one. So you can see now our circuit is complete, and I need to connect this device through my mobile phone. So my device is connected actually. I am going to start the Arduino Bluetooth controller program from my mobile phone. It is connected. Now let's see. You can hear the relay is triggering. Just there might be some connection fault in the bulb. I am just doing that one. Our circuit is complete. I am switching on the switch, and you can see the bulb is not glowing. Now I am connecting power supply to Arduino board. Everything is okay right now. My total circuit Bluetooth module is connected. Now you can see the bulb glows when I switch on the bulb switch. So this is all about your Arduino connection, and I will give you the program. I'll show you this program. It is very simple program, and it works from about a distance of 50 meters in free air till the Bluetooth range is there. So it can be very useful in your homes when you are sitting at one room and you need to control the electrical equipments of another room by connecting that one to your Arduino circuit, like this one. Now if you go for the program, I am showing this to you. So that it is the program for the Arduino. Here I have given 4 pins actually for a 4 relay, but I am using only one relay for pin number 1, that is pin 1, that is defined to be pin 6 of the Arduino board. Now it is there. I have defined integer pins 1 to be point number or to the port number 6 of the Arduino board. Now software serial Bluetooth 01 character data. Now void send data string transmit data Bluetooth.println transmit data. So the data which is being transmitted from the Bluetooth, it is read by the Arduino board. Now here you can see I have triggered 1 to be the signal for pin 1 to active or digital write pin 1 equal to 1. That means it is switching on the bulb. Now data 2, that is pin 1, it is off, the bulb is switching off there. So likewise when I trigger, you can see my Bluetooth controller program, this is bulb, on command is 1, off command is 2. So when I am sending turn on, that is when command 1 is sent, the bulb glows there, and when I turn off means command 2 is sent, the bulb glows off. So this is how the total module works. Thank you.